Chapter 2 Learning Windows 10. In this chapter, 2 steps to desktop, live tiles, background and basic design, start menu or start button, restoring deleted files, few added features of Windows 10. Hello friends, Windows 10 is becoming popular day by day because of its new features. Let's learn about these features in detail. Founder of Microsoft, William Henry Bill Gates III, 28 October 1955, is a computer programmer and inventor. He is the former chief executive and chairman of Microsoft, the world's largest personal computer software company. You have learned in previous class that MS Windows is an operating system that controls the overall activities of the computer. MS Windows operating system has many flavors called versions such as MS Windows XP, MS Windows Vista, MS Windows 7, MS Windows 8, MS Windows 8.1 and now MS Windows 10. Windows 10. Windows 10 operating system is developed by Microsoft Corporation for use in personal computers, PC tablets, and smartphones. It is used both at home and for business purpose. It provides a graphical user interface, GUI. It uses pictures, tiles, icons, and buttons for promoting different operations. So you do not have to remember all the commands. You can perform functions like creating, renaming, copying, and deleting files and folders just by using the mouse. Features of Windows 10. Windows 10 has a very attractive look with colorful themes. It comes with new features, improved programs, and faster speed. Among the new features available in Windows 10, there are new technologies that run in the background, making your computer more efficient and reliable. It has security tools to make your computer more secure. The control panel in Windows 10 allows you to change display settings, add or remove programs, change date and time. It also helps in managing various resources and functioning of the computer system. The most common edition of Windows 10 operating system are Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 Enterprise, and Windows 10 Education. When you start Windows 10, its desktop appears on the screen. It has many icons on it. These icons are used for opening different programs, files, or folders. 2 steps of desktop. Once the computer is turned on, it takes 2 steps to reach interface commonly known as desktop. The 2 steps are as follows. Sign in the stage. Once you turn on the computer, the Windows starts and stops itself to the sign in, the stage which may be protected with a password. In simple words, sign in stage acts as a gate between the system and the user. This screen acts as a protection to prevent any unauthorized access to the system. Further, if there is no password, then one can directly enter to the desktop on a simple click. Desktop. Once the sign-in stage is clear, the user sees the screen which is commonly known as desktop. It is a gateway to the applications, software, and data stored on the computer. Desktop serves as a summary of everything that exists within the computer. Understanding the interface, desktop. The first screen you see after login into your PC is commonly referred to as desktop. Desktop provides a single solution for the user to access everything stored on the computer. The desktop is also known as a graphical user interface, GUI. The desktop contains 4 basic things: background and basic design, icons, taskbar, start menu or start button. Background and basic design. Background and basic design are two things that determine the look and feel of the screen. The background displays the wallpaper you selected, and the basic design is the default setting of Windows. The interesting fact about it is completely customizable. To change the wallpaper from the background, you need to follow the following steps. Step 1. Right-click on the empty area of the screen and click on Personalize option. On a click, a personalized window will appear. Step 2. On the left side of the window, you will see various options like the background, colors, lock screen, etc. Step 3. Since the background is the first option, it will show its properties by default. Step 4. Select a picture of your choice and the background will change itself automatically. Step 5. On a click, the preview will appear on the top and your background picture is replaced. Step 6. Further, if you want to add any specific picture, then you need to click on the Browse button. Step 7. After that, a dialog box will open where you need to choose the picture from its exact location. Once chosen, the specific image will automatically replace the existing picture. In a similar fashion, the themes, colors can also be changed just by a right click on an empty area of the screen and then choose to personalize. Icons. Icon on the desktop represents a file or a program. Whatever is stored inside the computer is represented in some kind or another for the user to access. The icon is one of those kinds wherein data is represented through icons. The icon can represent a file, folder, or an application. Let us learn about different types of icons you see on the desktop. Name, image, description. This PC. My computer is the source of every data that is being stored on the computer. Through this single icon, the user can access every data. Folder icon. A folder is a simple tool to accumulate similar types of files at one place. It basically contains other files, folders, or application. Recycle bin. Recycle bin contains all deleted files, folders, or application. Through this folder, one can even retrieve the deleted files. MS Word file. MS Word is a program which is used for typing anything like applications, reports, essays, etc. Image file. Images file contains graphics data. Network. Network allows users to access shared files on different computers through a network. Live tiles. Windows 10 displays the most popular universal apps in the form of resizable live tiles in the right pane of the Start menu. These tiles display latest updates and information such as news, weather report, incoming mails, etc. Without opening the app, you can rearrange, resize, and move these tiles according to your requirement. Pinning tiles to start. Step 1. Click on Start button, All apps. Step 2. Right-click on the app that you want to add to the Start menu. Step 3. Select the option Pin to start. Step 4. The selected app is displayed in the right pane in the form of a tile. Helpline. Action Center displays alerts from your device and all your apps just like the notification panel of your smartphone. You can get quick access to various settings such as adjust your screen brightness, turn Bluetooth on or off, and more. Press Windows plus A key combination to display the Action Center. Resizing tiles. You can also resize the tiles according to your choice. Tiles are generally available in 4 different sizes: small, medium, wide, and large. To resize a tile, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the tile and select the option Resize. Step 2. Select the size of your choice. Moving and grouping. You can also move a tile to any place in the Start menu just by dragging it to the desired position. Tiles can also be combined to form a group. Follow the given steps to create a group of tiles. Step 1. Drag a tile to the bottom of the right pane in the Start menu. A transparent horizontal bar appears with heading Name Group on the left side and two small horizontal lines on the right. Step 2. Click on Name Group and add a name. Now you can add the relevant tiles in this group. Step 3. To move a whole group of tiles, drag the two small lines to the desired position. Turn off live tiles. Windows 10 allows you to disable a live tile so that it stops giving live updates and changes into a static icon. To do so, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Right-click on the tile. Step 3. Select the Move option and choose Turn Live Tile Off option from the submenu. Displaying multiple windows at a time. In Windows 10, we can display multiple application windows side by side. Let us see how it works. Step 1. First, open Word 2016 and PowerPoint 2016. Step 2. Now right-click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. Step 3. Click on the Show Windows Side by Side option from the shortcut menu. Both the application windows will be displayed side by side. How to open or access any file on desktop. To open or access any file, the following three methods can be followed. Double-click. Just take your mouse cursor on the file you want to open and double-click, left-click on the same. Make sure you do the clicks quickly. Do not give time gap between two clicks. Right-click of a mouse. Just take your mouse cursor on the file you want to open and simply right-click on the same. A dialog box will open containing various options like Open, Edit, New, Print, Rename, Properties, etc. Then, choose a left click on the Open option to access the file. Apart from opening the file, you can access other options too under this step like renaming the file, deleting the file, printing, etc. Using keyboard. Take your mouse cursor on the file you want to open and left-click. Single-click on the same. Once you do this, your file will be selected. Then, press Enter from the keyboard and the file will open. Start menu. Start menu is one of the features of the Windows which allow the user to have quick access to the programs, folders, files, and entertainment. The Start menu basically has two primary columns. The left side column displays all the commonly used programs. It also contains the option of All Apps, which displays all installed applications in the system. Further, the left column also has the option for shutdown, settings, etc. The right side column displays links to common folders like email, music, pictures, MS Office, and social media links in the form of tiles. The Start menu helps the user to access shortcuts in no time. Further, the fascinating thing about the Start menu feature is that it is fully customizable. Restoring deleted files. It happens many times when we accidentally delete our important files. However, Windows have a feature through which deleted files can be recovered back. Every deleted file, other than permanently deleted, goes to recycle bin, which can be accessed directly from the desktop. To restore your deleted file, follow the steps. Step 1. Open the recycle bin folder on the desktop. Step 2. Search the file you want to restore. Step 3. Take your cursor to the file and right-click on the same. Step 4. A dialog box will appear with 4 options: Restore, Cut, Delete, Properties. Step 5. Click on Restore and your file will be restored at its last location. Important Windows keyboard shortcuts. The efficiency to use computer increases many-fold when one uses the keyboard more than the mouse. Further, using the mouse for doing things on the computer seems like a lot. So, for a quick and efficient working, keyboard shortcuts are imperative. Here are some keyboard shortcuts for effective and efficient working. Keyboard shortcut. Description. Alt plus Tab to switch between open program or folder. F1 for help in any Windows program. F2 to rename any selected file. Window plus D to minimize every open program at once. Window plus E to open My Computer directly. Window plus R to open the Run command. Window plus L to lock the computer. Control plus Z to undo your last action. Control plus X to cut selected item. Control plus C to copy selected item. Control plus V to paste the last copied or cut item. Control plus S to save the current file. Alt plus F4 to close the active program. Control plus Alt plus Delete to open Task Manager. Few added features of Windows 10. Windows 10 comes with some great new features that revolutionize the way users interact with the machine. Let us learn some newly added features of Windows 10. Using natural language to search files. Do you know that you can search anything on the computer using your own voice? Yes, the Windows 10 has added a feature, that is voice-controlled digital assistant Cortana. Cortana helps the user to interact with the computer without using your fingers. In simple words, Cortana enables user to search anything on the computer or on the internet. User can play music, watch movies, write notes, open calendar, set reminders, send emails and more just by using your voice. Cortana works properly through voice command. Project Spartan Browser. Windows has replaced its old browser, Internet Explorer, with the newly announced Project Spartan. This perhaps a long-due replacement. Project Spartan will be linked with Cortana support, so she can pull out information from the web without using the fingers. Multitasking. Windows 10 allows the user to run another set of windows together. In simple words, the user can now have different desktops for different needs. This task is achieved through Task View button. Windows Store. Windows Store provides a bundle of updated apps including videos, music, movies, photo, maps, etc. for the user. It is similar to Play Store, which you find on Android phones by showing face, fingers or iris. Windows Hello. This feature allows user to access your computer by your face, fingerprints, etc. Revision time. Windows 10 is an operating system which has many new and improved features. Windows operating system uses a mouse and a GUI, graphical user interface, that uses graphics or pictures to help the user navigate within the computer system. The first screen of the Windows operating system is called the Windows desktop. Icons are small graphical images that represent the computer's programs, files, folders, etc. When you double-click any icon on the desktop, the program or file or folder related to it opens up. Windows Explorer is a very handy tool for managing your files and folders in the computer. Windows 10 enables us to work with multiple windows at the same time.